Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Off Leash Canine Training Toledo. Today we have Nellie. She's about 1 year old. She's a golden retriever. Nellie comes to us for training because overall she can be pretty nervous and anxious when they're out and about. She doesn't really like loud noises or lots of moving things. We really want to work on her leash manners and her regular obedience and having a nice recall with her as well. So we'll see what she knows. Nellie, sit. Good girl. Down, down. Come. Place, place, place. All right. So as you can see, she's confident in that sit command, not sure of the down, and not too confident up on that place object yet, but working on her confidence overall and building up a good relationship with her. So we'll see you in 2 weeks when she's all trained up.